Hello guys, welcome once again. I'm making this video in response to one of my subscribers' requests. And here is what she said. Please, what about plantain flour? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make green plantain flour at home. To make this healthy flour, all we need is green plantain or unripe plantain. So we start by washing our plantain to make them clean. Please ensure to wash your green plantain before peeling them so that you might not need to wash them after peeling. And also, this will make the plantain flour to come out nice with no impurities in it. You might need to wash the green plantain more than once, depending on how dirty they are. And after washing them and they become clean, it is time to peel the plantain. So I'll go ahead and take one of the plantain. Give it a cut gently and remove the peels from it. And after peeling it, I'll set it aside and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. So I also pick another plantain, give it a cut and peel. Plantain flour is a versatile ingredient used in various culinary. It can be used as thickener in soup, sauce and stew. It is also ideal for gluten-free baking like bread, cake and pancake. And after peeling, I also set aside. Plantain flour can also be made into creamy porridge, often mixed with milk, sugar or spice. It can also be added to smoothies for nutritional boost. It is also a nutritious and easy digestive food for babies, so it can be used for baby food. And now that we are done peeling all the plantain, let's go ahead and slice our plantain very flat and tiny. So the first thing I'll be showing you here is how to use a kitchen knife to slice the plantain very tiny and flat. Please ensure to slice it very flat and tiny so that it can dry easily. This is so important because if it doesn't dry quickly, the plantain flour color might change and might also come with some funny odor. My today's shout out goes to Property News Commercial and Jupiter Rising. Thank you all for loving the recipe. And a wonderful shout out to you, my family out there. I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. God bless you. If you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, kindly comment where you are watching me from in my comment section. And after slicing the plantain very flat with the kitchen knife, we set aside. And now let me show you another thing you can use in slicing your plantain very flat and tiny. We'll be using a kitchen grater. The reason I prefer using the kitchen grater for slicing the green plantain is that first, it's more convenient for me, it is faster, and the sliced plantain comes out flat with equal size. You can see how it looks like. Next, I will be transferring it into a tray to spread them out. First, let's spread out the one we sliced with the kitchen knife. And next, we add the one sliced with the grater. You can see that they all came out very flat. So I'll spread them out on a tray properly. In spreading your plantain out, you have to arrange them one after the other, just as I'm doing in this video, so that they don't stick together and they can dry easily. And after spreading them out properly on a tray, take to the sunlight for them to dry. And here we have it, very dried and crispy. You can also check them with your hand to know if they are very dried. If they can crack and break easily, which means they are very dried. Next, we'll be blending them into fine powder. And so here I'll be transferring some of the dried plantain into a blender. And after adding it to the blender, cover and blend smoothly. And after blending for some time, we'll be checking on our plantain flour. As I checked on the plantain flour, I discovered that it's not too smooth. At this point, I decided to sieve it with a strainer so that the plantain flour can come out very smooth. And after sieving it, this is how it looks like. You can see we have a very fine powder. So I'll be transferring the unblended one back to the blender. Then add more dried plantain to it. Cover and blend smoothly. And after blending for some time, I also transferred it into the sieve and sieve it once again. I repeated this process until I was done blending and sieving all the plantain. And here we have it, our green plantain flour ready. This came out very smooth. This is 100% organic plantain flour, easy and simple to make at home. Plantain flour can be used for snacks. It can also be used for frying batter. That is, you can use it to coat your fish, meat or vegetables before frying. You can also use this for plantain swallow and enjoy with any soup of your choice. Store in an airtight container as this can last many days at home. And now that you have learned how to make green plantain flour at home, please kindly like this video, comment and share this with a loved one. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.